Okay, let us see example number 4 now. It says redraw the circuit diagram of the previous question number 3. That means question number 3, previous question, by adding an emitter. Redraw means you already remember what was the diagram. It was like this. First one is 5 ohms, 8 ohms and 12 ohms. Remember 8, this should be 5, 8, 12. You can name them 1, 2, 3 also. R1 equal to this much, R2 equal to this much, R3 equal to this much. And then we had like this. Okay. And there was the battery. How many batteries, remember? 3 batteries were there. And there was one key. Let us read the whole question. It says current through the resistance voltmeter to measure the potential. Adding an emitter to measure. Adding an emitter. You can add the emitter anywhere here like this. Okay. Emitter. Remember how we used to do this. Here is the key. Here is the emitter. This is the voltage, 6 volt. This side is plus. This side is minus. Now we want to measure the voltage or potential difference across only this 12 ohm. Across 12 ohm resistance only. Okay, not here and here. So that is why here only I have put this. Now what would be the reading in the emitter? So emitter reading will be the total current, nothing else. And what would be the reading in the voltmeter means this voltage. Okay, for doing this we need to find the equivalent resistance first. What is the equivalent resistance? R1, 2, 3 will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Why? Because they are connected in series. So this is 5 plus 8 plus 12 is 25 ohms. Finish. Now it is a simple question. If it is like this, then what will be the current? I will be equal to V by R. Why this? Ohm's law. Okay. This is also a formula and this is also a formula. What is V? 6. What is R? Just you got 25. So what is this? 25 is going to divide. 25 is going to divide 6 means 60. 25 2s are 50. It will become 10. 1 0 will come. 25 4s are 100. That means this is 0.24. Current means ampere. So I got the reading in the current because same current will pass through here, through here, through here and IC. The first answer is 0.24 ampere. Done. Now the second answer, what will be the potential difference here? The potential difference here will be V. I'll write the potential difference across this is V across R3 will be equal to, what is the formula for voltage? Current into resistance. I into R, but I is same everywhere. I3 is also I1, I2 is also I1, I1 is also I1, I. So here I3 R3 means I can be written, I3 can be written I, but R is separate, R1, R2, R3. So this will be R3. Okay. So what is this? I is 0.24. What is R3? This is 12. When you multiply this to 12 and 24, what you get? 24, 12 4s are 48, 4, 12 2s are 24 plus 4 is 28. So you got 288. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. 1, 2, 2.88. What is this? Voltage, potential difference across V3. So this is volt. You remember this voltage 6 volt is divided into 3 different parts. Okay, so here it cannot be 6, it will be less than that, 2.88, but the current will be same all. Why? Because the current is in the series circuit, all the current will be same, voltage will be different. So that is why the question is also like that. It is asking only through 12 because they know that it is different and only one is asked. Okay.